Hey guys, Mike from PurpleTea here. I'm going to play Maximum NOVADRIVE. Blizzard put this up as kind of an April Fool's joke, but it's actually a real game, so we're going to test it out, see if it's good, try it out, you know, let's get into it. Alright, so this is how you do it. That's it. Oh, here we go. We're getting into it. Oh man. Oh geez. Look at the city. Look at that sky. Look at another biker. You can't do anything. I'm trying to press other buttons to see if possibly. Oh, you could shoot, but doesn't look like you could shoot. Looks like the only thing you could do is drive. Maximum NOVADRIVE. Oh jeez. Oh, I want to crash. I did crash. I'm terrible. Oh, we got a ship. Oh, jeez. Let's squeeze by here. Oh, man. Oh, dang. Look how crazy this game is. Oh, jeez. I crashed again. I'm absolutely terrible. So you have a little health bar at the top. I assume those would really hurt if they got hit, if it hit me. But I take it you keep going until you just die, and then your score racks up, and whatever you're left with is your points, which, what? Oh jeez. Oh god. What? Alright, this is pretty damn impossible. Damn, stop it. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. Game over. Well, it looks like I'm at a 12,200 points. Yeah, I can tell. I can tell it's game over by them shooting at the point where I died. Yes. Yes. And that has been Maximum NOVADRIVE. Good day.